Hello everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to explore Postbot, the AI assistant built right into Postman. It helps you write test scripts, debug errors, and understand complex API responses all without writing code manually. Whether you are new to Postman or an experienced tester, this feature will make your API testing faster and smarter. So let's begin. Create a new request. Click on new and click on HTTP. Create a new request. This is method get postput delete. All methods are available here. Now enter URL here. First, you need to enter URL here. Click on this API which is used for get user list. Copy this complete URL, open Postman and enter URL here. Now click on send. As you can view here, we are getting 200 response code. Page 2, this is ID, email, first name, last name. Now, we need to verify we are getting a correct response. So, here option available post bot. You can click on this or either you can open by Control Alt P. Now, click on Postbot. In this option, you can view add test to this request, test for response, visualize response, save a file from response. Now, scenario here, you need to validate ID, email, first name. You can verify this response by writing test script here in script tab. Here two option available, pre-request and post response. Post response runs after a response is received. It will run after getting a response, but pre-request runs before the request is sent. Suppose you want to send unique ID. So you need to first runs this pre-request, then you need to send your request. Now here 200 response code. You can view here we are getting 200 response code. Now we need to verify whether we are getting 200 response code after sending this request. So click on Postbot and click on test for response. Click on test for response. Here multiple options are available. Data length, we can verify data length, time within acceptable range, content type, schema against saved values. Now click on test for response. You just need to click and it will automatically generate a script. Now understand about this script. PM, this is test response status. Code is 200 and response time is less than. Now we have total two test cases. First, validate response code is equal to 200 and PM dot expect PM response time below 200. If we are getting response below 200, the test case will be passed. Otherwise, this test case will be failed. Now, let's click on send. Request is sending. Test result 0 because we are getting response status code is 200 and response time is 200 millisecond. Expected, this is response time we are getting in 1312 millisecond, but response we are expecting that response code below 200. Remove this timeline and click on send. Now you can view response status code is 200. You can fix your script by using Postbot. So let's make some changes here and click on Postbot and type here fix script and click on send. Now your script will be fixed. You can view here pm.expect script has been fixed. Here multiple options are available in Postbot. You can view your responses in a tabular form. So click on first send this request. Now total expected this test case execute in 987 millisecond, and we are expecting that 200 millisecond. Now add an other option here. Click on visualize response. Here option available, either you can view response in a table form, as a line chart, as a bar graph. Now click on as table. It will automatically generate a script for you. You just need to click on send request and you will get the response in a tabular form. Click on send and click on here test results. Let's again send this request. Now click on body. As you can view here, two options available: JSON or visualization and preview. In JSON, we are getting response in a JSON format. Here multiple option available. You can view response in XML, HTML, JavaScript. But in visualization, after adding this script, we are getting response in a tabular form. This is template, and here we define table heading, ID, email, first name, last name, and scroll down. This is table rows, ID, email, first name, last name, and images. This is the function pm.visualizer.set template. Now click on Postbot and here click on visualize response. Suppose you want to view response in a bar graph. So click on this bar graph and it will generate response in a bar graph. As you can view here, now we can visualize this response in a bar graph. Few are the benefits of using Postbot. You can debug easily and you can understand JSON response clearly and suggest smart test cases. It will save time and increase productivity. You don't need to remember JavaScript syntax. Just ask and Postbot helps. Click on this Postbot. Let's add some changes and click on this fix test. It will fix your script. As you can view here, changes has been made successfully. That's all for today's tutorial on Postbot. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to SK World for more Postman and automation tutorials. See you in the next video.